Hello. We continue our lessons with the alignment command. We combine the alignment commands and add them. From being under the menu. Here it is not active because we did not select any shape. Here, left, right, up and down, horizontal yurtalama, vertical yurtalama. We have 8 tracking commands such as centering and page centering. I opened vectors for these. Now we will select the following vectors in the tracing commands, respectively. The first shape we chose. We press Shift. We also select the second shape, so the first selected shape. It will be aligned according to the position of the second shape. The second selected shape will remain fixed. As you can see, when I selected both of them here, it became active here. Now let's see them one by one. Here a link left means left alignment. The second form of this remained constant. He aligned it to the left edge. When we say Reels Alama, the second shape remains constant. He actually made a mistake. As you can see, when we say align up, that is, when we say align up on top, the first selected size is the size. We aligned ourselves on the second chosen one. In horizontal alignment, that is, when the first shape is selected and the second shape is selected. Here the centron is horizontal, so we are horizontal, but it happens like this. In other words, they averaged each other horizontally. Vertical alignment centron and we are in partnership and it happens like this. We use the center vector to average the two relative to each other. As you can see, it also makes an average. They are centered relative to each other. Finally, there is an option to average center input to the page. Here we have averaged the page. There were 8 options for alignment commands. I have also explained this command along with these. Goodbye, see you in important matters.